Welcome. If you're looking to control who can edit stories in your Telegram group on PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to prevent the group owner from editing stories posted by others. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account that owns the group you want to manage. Once you're in, find your group in the chat list and click to open it. Now, look to the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you have control over all the administrative options. Next, navigate to the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who helps manage the group, including yourself as the owner. Click on your name or the owner label to open your specific permissions. Within the owner's permissions, look for the section labeled Manage Stories. Here, you'll find an option called Edit Stories of Others. By default, this may be enabled, allowing the owner to edit any story shared in the group. To restrict this, simply toggle off or disable the Edit Stories of Others option. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the settings window. This ensures your new permissions are applied immediately. And that's it. You've successfully prevented the group owner from editing stories posted by other members in your Telegram group. This feature is especially useful if you want to maintain the originality of each member's stories or avoid accidental edits. Remember, Telegram regularly updates its features, so keeping an eye on permission settings helps you stay in control of your group's content. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with fellow group admins. See you next time.